Welcome back to Prime Review. USA Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful and technologically advanced tractors in the North American of corn, soybeans, or wheat. The Magnum 400 is engineered to deliver top-tier performance, precision, and comfort. This isn't just a machine, it's a productivity powerhouse. The Case IH Magnum 400 represents the upper end of the Magnum AFS Connect series, and it brings with it a 396 engine horsepower rating, which can jump up to a peak of 435 horsepower. With Power Boost, the power delivery is smooth and constant, whether you're pulling a large planter, a tillage implement, or transporting heavy loads across long distances. In the field, the Magnum 400 stands out not just for raw power, but also for its intelligent performance management, which eliminates power shift interruptions and maintains optimum fuel efficiency across all speeds. Of cutting-edge technology. The AFS Connect system allows operators and farm managers to remotely monitor and manage the tractor's performance and location in real time. It also provides remote diagnostics and software updates. Inside the cab, operators get access to the AFS Pro 1200 display, an intuitive, high-resolution touchscreen that controls everything from guidance and auto-steer functions to machine settings and ESA-Boost-compatible implements. It's like having a command center on wheels. Now let's talk comfort. Because Case IH hasn't overlooked the operator experience. It features premium leather seating, suspended cab options, multi-zone climate control, and excellent visibility on all sides. Add to that an ergonomic armrest and customizable controls. Operators will also appreciate the lighting package. High-intensity LED work lights provide 360-degree illumination for safe and efficient operation even after dark. The Magnum 400 also excels in its versatility. It's available in both wheeled and row-track configurations. The row-track version features track units on the rear and wheels up front, giving farmers the benefits of reduced soil compaction, better flotation, and improved traction, ideal for tough or wet field conditions. It's especially valuable for high-precision row crop farming, where maintaining consistent ground contact and minimizing soil disturbance can make a real difference in yield. Maintenance on the Magnum 400 has also been simplified. Daily service points are easy to access, and the tractor is designed to minimize downtime. The service intervals are long, and when maintenance is required, diagnostic alerts and remote support reduce guesswork and keep operations moving. Case IH also offers strong dealer support across the USA, ensuring that parts and technical expertise are always within reach. 400 is its balance between brute strength and smart farming capabilities. It's built for the demands of modern agriculture, where precision, efficiency, and sustainability are just as important as horsepower. The fuel tank holds up to 166 gallons, and with smart fuel management that can last an entire day of heavy work, it can handle the most demanding implements with ease. From planting and spraying to tillage and heavy-duty hauling, the Magnum 400 adapts to every season and every task. And with a growing demand for data-driven farming, having a tractor that's fully integrated into your digital farm management system is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity, while still delivering that iconic American red power that farmers have trusted for generations. In summary, the Case IH Magnum 400 isn't just about high horsepower, it's about high performance across the board. It's a reliable, smart, and efficient workhorse that's ready to meet the challenges of modern farming head-on. Whether you're upgrading your fleet or investing in your first high-horsepower machine, the Magnum 400 deserves serious consideration. It's not just a tractor, it's a long-term asset that supports your operation from seed to harvest. For watching Prime Review USA, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us what you think about the Case IH Magnum 400. See you in the next video.